Hi everyone, this is Alexander Antsipov, and I got a lot of questions how to send email on Apereo and especially how to send email using Google Mail service. Especially for that, I created new Gmail account email.apereo@gmail.com, and probably as you know, due to Google security limitation, we can't use our actual Gmail password for sending email, and we have to configure our account. So now let's do it. Open Manage your Google account and then go to Security. Here we have to enable two-step verification. Get started. Next. So here we have to again specify our telephone number. Press Next. Enter Google verification code. Next. After that, we can add password for sending email. Press Next. Select application. So let's choose mail and device. So let's specify other. For example, Apereo. Press Generate. Here you can see the password which we can use for sending our email using our email address. So in our case it is mail.apereo@gmail.com. Now let's press Done and came back to Apereo. On Apereo you can send email using server code module or Kpixpress module. So first let's consider how to send email using server code. Go to Server Code tab and press Create Script button. Provide name, Gmail for our service, and for getting code for sending email using Google service, we can use corresponding snippet. So let's find it. The name of the snippet is Send Gmail. Press Insert. So here we have to provide such information as a host, username, password, from, to, subject and content. Let's leave host as it is because it already has proper value. Then let's specify the username value. Then password value, from, to, then specify the email of recipient. I will send email to my another email address, and that's it. Now we can press Save and test. Just press Save and Run here. Don't pay attention on service response because we used some template and didn't pass corresponding parameters, but what is important for us is a response status code, which is 200. And now if we would open my another Gmail account and cpov@gmail.com, here we can see our email which was just sent. And if we would open my another Gmail account and open send folder, here we can see our just sent email. Now let's came back to our server code script, and of course here we used predefined values, especially for subject and for content, and in real life you can pass this value as a server code script parameters or take this value from database or something else. Now let's consider second option, how to send email using Kpixpress. So let's go to Kpixpress, press Create a new project and provide name, for example Gmail project, and then press New Service, select Custom Service, provide name Gmail and create. In order to send email we have to add email component and then again specify the properties of this component. So first it is a host, then port, username, password, a list of recipients, subject, and body. So in our case it is just world hello. Also we can test how this component works right here. Press generate button and then press send. So below we can see the status, and now let's go to first to our Gmail account and see that email was delivered, and also we can see that this email is in sent folder. And of course we can send email using REST service, so you can send this REST service using your preferred HTTP client or directly from Kpixpress test page. Press test service button. So, and again see that email was sent properly. That is all what I wanted to show in this video. Thanks for watching.